Hey guys, you know what? Making money isn't challenging if you think you should earn money even when you sleep or drive the car. And yes, I do mean globally. Oh yeah, there are passive income proven ways. Shopify stores and the dropshipping market are one of the best recommended ways. Customers are making a huge amount of revenue just from the dropshipping business. Being Texas, USA based, the service is great and gives you A to Z, a well-designed store for your products. If you're worried about the products and suppliers, don't. You're at the right place. Here are some examples showing passive income from my customers. Some of those 6 to 7 figure Shopify stores just by Shopify dropshipping. Some customers have earned up to $30,000 in a month with almost no experience. Plus, it's absolutely as passive income. Shopify is a game changer, not a Mega Millions lottery, and you gotta play smart with all the rules. Gig Service makes sure to help you throughout the journey with free post-project support. Check out the service with multiple packages. Contact now for free tips and consultations and order now to make passive income.